So I'm making a late night video. Why? Because I couldn't sleep. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be talking about Very Good Butchers and how Jeremy is buying Very Good Butchers. He was very careful with the video he released. He didn't want to reveal the name, but he did. There was a little tidbit that kind of made it seem like it was the Very Good Food Company. Because he tried to block it out, but he missed a little, looks like a little V to me. That's sign number one. Sign number two is when I was looking further down to see what kind of stocks he bought, see if anybody recognized the stock he bought. And apparently one guy was like, "What's up, G? You didn't tell us what Speclift stock is." And then one person said it's the Very Good Food Company, VRYYVF. So yeah, it's traded over to OTC. So obviously he says that in the video he talks about how it charged him $50 to buy the stock. So he, why? Because it's over the counter, and because it's over the counter, Fidelity is not doesn't really like OTC, and OTC is a little more expensive for these commission companies to buy, or for Fidelity, I guess, to buy it. So, and it's a Canadian company, but Jeremy bought it. Why do I think Jeremy bought this company? Because we also look, this is the second indicator, 136. So we looked at the stock price on October 19th. The stock was trading at 136, 137. And where was this? 136.74. So obviously it's the Very Good Food Company. The settlement date usually is 3 days in advance, so he probably tried to buy on the 19th, so it'd be the 20th, and then the 21st would be the 3 day, 19th, 20th, 21st. So 3 day settlement. When you buy a stock, it takes 3 days to settle. So I believe it's the Very Good Food Company. He didn't want to reveal the name, but I believe that's what he tried to buy, but was never successful. That'd be kind of cool if he mentioned the name and talked more about the company, give the company some recognition. But what I think happened is the Very Good Food Company probably got access to his email. Why? Because Jeremy is so active on social media that it's not very difficult to get his email. You can probably go on, I'm sure that it's very easy to find Jeremy's email. If we look at, let's see, hold on. Does he have an email here? Doesn't show an email. I'm sure it's easy to find his email. But I could be wrong. I mean, he's active in the community. He sends emails to a lot of people. He sends emails to me. I have his email address. So I'm assuming that Jeremy, a Very Good Butchers, got a hold of Jeremy's email and emailed Jeremy to see if Jeremy would, sponsor the company, pay Jeremy $3,500. Instead of taking that, Jeremy probably did research into the company and be like, hey, you know what? This company could be a really big winner. So instead of accepting the sponsor money, he decided just to buy the stock. And then I don't know why he made a video about it. Maybe he should have just not make a video about it, because that obviously is going to rally the stock. But again, he was very careful about about not revealing the name. There was a little bit of tidbits that I can find out that he did it. I'm assuming, just my assumption. I think tomorrow the stock's going to take off. I think we're going to see $2 from this stock in a very short amount of time. But that's just my opinion. For the Canadian side, I think the stock's going to hit $2.50 in a very short amount of time. But we'll see. We'll see. I think this is the Jeremy pump right here. I think this is the Jeremy pump. This is, I was wrong. Maybe this is not big money. Well, it's a little bit of big money. But it's the Jeremy pump. This is the Jeremy pump right here. At least that's my opinion. I think that a bunch of people found out that he was trying to buy the stock, and they pumped the company. That's just my opinion. This is the Jeremy effect. Jeremy has a really big influence on stock prices, especially penny stocks. That's why he's very careful about buying penny stocks, and he's trying not to talk about it. Why? Because it's a penny stock, and he has access to a lot of traders. A lot of traders. A lot of people talk. A lot of people watch his videos. This video alone got 31,000 views. Let's take the assumption that 20,000 people watched it, and let's take an account to 50% of those people were buying the stock. Yeah, I think the stock would trade in the millions. So Jeremy pumped the stock. Jeremy caused the stock to rally, and he's probably gave the company a ton of business. But again, I wish he mentioned the name. Could have made my channel explode. But whatever. On the European side, the volume is very low right now. It's only traded 25,000. 26,000 shares. So yeah, how do I know that Jeremy probably got an email from Very Good Butchers? Because Positive Investing on this video, Fuzzy Panda accused YouTuber of Workhorse, he mentioned Very Good Butchers. He mentioned Very Good Butchers, that Very Good Butchers emailed him, offered him $3,500 to do a sponsored video, and he didn't take it. So I'm assuming Jeremy got the same thing, but Jeremy probably didn't take it. He probably did his own research and be like, you know what, I'm not going to sponsor this video, but I'm going to buy the stock because I think this is a good company. That's probably what was running through his head. So he bought the stock. I don't know why he made a video about it, but he did. Maybe he already bought the stock, then he released the video. I have no idea. Maybe he released the video and maybe he's planning to buy the stock tomorrow. Because in the video he never said he bought the stock. He said that he tried to buy the stock, but he ran into multiple different problems. So I don't know. Maybe he bought the stock already, then released the video. Maybe he'll come up with another video in the future talking more about this company that he bought into. Who knows at the end of the day. But I think Jeremy just bought Very Good Butchers. And it makes me happy because I bought into it before he did. And the stock is going to run on him talking about it because he is a very big YouTuber. And then, if he's talking positively about it, maybe Meet Kevin will talk about it too. And Graham Stephan will talk about it too. And it would bring in a lot of investor exposure and a lot of investor interest and a lot of new customers, and make me decent amount of money. Not as much as I hoped. I wish I kept all my shares. Too late now. I could just tie a blindfold on and just buy some tomorrow and just gamble that the stock price is going higher. We'll see. Right now I'm a shareholder. I bought in at a very good price. I might buy in just because I think the stock price is heading higher. Like, I seriously think the stock price for Very Good Butchers is heading higher. But that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. So the market right now is red, and that is a little concerning, but this is a penny stock. This is a penny stock. Penny stocks are not linked to the main market. Penny stocks are what investors value that. So if a lot of people buy this stock, the stock price is going to go up regardless of the market. Even if the market is crashing, as long as people are buying that one specific penny stock, it will ignore the market. The SPY right now is slightly green. Very volatile. It was red, it was green, it was red, it was green. The market really doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Does it want to crash it, or will it rally it to new 52-week high just before the election? My gamble is just before the election, we are going to see new lows. Not like down here, but I'm thinking that it's going to go lower than $322. And if, you know, and after the election, we'll see what if the market bounces or it'll continue to go down further. Tesla right now is up $1.56, 0.37%. NIO is down 5 cents. General Motors, I guess the electric Hummer was positive for the market because it hasn't sold off. It's still green right now. Snapchat up $6.90. I'm thinking of buying a put option on Snap. I just think it's severely overvalued right now. But that's just my opinion. Facebook is also benefiting from Snapchat's big earnings report. Same with Twitter. Twitter is also benefiting from the big earnings report. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp, not a big enough company to see after hours trading. Same with ChargePoint and Blink. GameStop also is not very active trading after hours. Solo is a little bit. Solo is down 2 cents after hours, pre-market, sorry. Diamond Peak Holdings is up 3 cents pre-market, and Workhorse is down 5 cents pre-market. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.